lovelies, this is Tips with Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Today's video is a special one, guys. Yes, I'm collaborating with an amazing woman and I'm so privileged to do this. Guys, do you want to know the person I'm collaborating with? Oh my goodness. Okay, it's no other person but Discovering Natural. Guys, oh my goodness. Auntie Shola, thank you so much for this opportunity. I'll never take it for granted. Guys, I'm collaborating with Discovering Natural. Who doesn't know Discovering Natural on the street of YT? Discovering Natural is a natural hair channel where she does and teaches a lot about natural hair. Guys, if you are into natural hair, if you are a beginner, if you want to transition your hair into natural hair, that's the best place for you. She teaches a lot how to take care of your natural hair, your hair type, the right products to use. Guys, I'm talking from experience here. I've known this woman for the past 6 years. And all the videos that you see me doing on my girls' natural hair, you leave me a comment, you like the texture of my girls' hair, their hair looks healthy, it looks this, it looks that. Yes, I learned everything from Discovering Natural. Okay, if you are ready to learn, she's always there for you to deliver. Okay, so guys, she's also have this Facebook page. Follow her there. Our other channel is DN Vlogs. That's our family channel. Okay, this woman is so amazing and I'm so privileged to do this with her. Today we are collaborating and we are doing a unique and beautiful hairstyle on our girls' hair. Okay, guys, after watching this video, please head over to Discovering Natural's channel to see the beautiful hairstyle she's making on her daughter's hair today. And also, if you are coming from Discovering Natural's channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I welcome you with a warm hug. Okay, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. So with that being said, let's get straight into the tutorial. Over here is my daughter. You can see her natural hair looking so healthy, and I've parted it into the sections that I'll be working with. Okay, this the style that I'll be doing. So I have 2 types of wool here. I'm doing needle and thread cornrow. So this yarn type is the one that I'll put through the needle to create the cornrow look, as you can see me showing you. Okay, and the Brazilian wool is the one that I'll be using in the front. If I get to the front, you will see how I'm going to do the front side. Okay, I'm taking down one section to start working on it. I'm adding a little bit of styling gel to the edges to lay it down a little bit. And also, guys, our hair is well moisturized. Okay, so please follow and see how I do this needle and thread cornrow. You can also do a flat twist with the needle and thread. I'll show you that in another video. You can see how I added the end of the thread with our natural hair. Yes, to create a loop. That's for the starting, for the beginning. My hands is covering. Then that's how I go. I roll our natural hair, then I tuck it in, pull it out. I go left and right. But what will give you the cornrow look is that when you are inserting the needle, you make sure you take only half of our hair, not pulling it through the other end. What I'm trying to say is that when you insert the needle from the right side, you pull it out from in the middle of the folded natural hair. Hope you get me right. Then you go to the left side again and pull it in the middle, from the middle. Make sure the needle does not go through the hair to the other ends. That's what will give you the natural the cornrow look. Okay, I'm doing a cornrow look here, not a flat twist. So make sure you bring it out in the middle of the folded hair. From the other side, you insert it, bring it out in the middle. To the left side again, insert from the, bring it out in the middle, so on until I'm done. I'm going to show it to you again. Please follow and see how I do this needle and thread cornrow. Okay, it's well zoomed now. Follow and see how I insert it and do guys it. When doing this hairstyle, please be careful with the needle, okay? Or better still, get a plastic needle from Amazon. I'm yet to get mine, but I'll surely do that. I'm done with the back section, and this is how it's looking like. So for the front section, I'm going to use the Brazilian wool to do a locks look. So keep watching to see how I do that. I parted the front section into 6, then I braided it as you can see. Then I'll use a crochet hook to insert the Brazilian wool. I have 6 strands of wool with me. So watch and see how I do that. I'm done threading it, so it's time for me to wrap it up. Watch and see how I create my wrap. I'm going to play around with it and see which one will fit her face and look beautiful on her. Guys, this is the outcome of the needle and thread cornrow. You can see how it looks like. This is not the normal cornrow we all know. You saw how I did it. I used a needle and thread and it looks so beautiful, guys. Do you like it? Yes, she really loves it. Okay, and guys, if you like this hairstyle, I'm sure you will love it more when you get to Discovering Naturals channel. Please guys, let's head over to Discovering Naturals channel and see the beautiful hairstyle she's doing on her daughter's hair today. Okay, that brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you all for watching to this point. Remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. Thank you all for always turning back. Till I come your way next time, stay blessed, stay safe, and bye-bye.